Hey guys, Chuck here. Man, I screwed up. November, at the end of November was the end of compost pickup here in your happy little Clio outpost. And I've got sticks. All those in Mr. Brindley, my dump cart. I've got these to deal with. And not to offend you coastal tree huggers. Hey Fred, you're coastal. I don't know if you're a tree hugger. Probably. Sorry, man. You didn't deserve all that. All that hating. All that love is what it was. I clown on you with love, man. Those sticks are getting cut a little shorter and going over there, as if anyone cares. And I bet you care about that. Some of you, anyway. You're, what the hell? Might be a few of you out there that think I need to be shut down, like with my ham radio kits that I never sold. David. You can't shut down my eBay kit selling business. Even if the TX does go out of band, I don't care. I'm not the band police. 73 guys. Be well. Okay. See ya. A short little commentary from me, Chuck, Wirehead. Sorry if it's pretty dour. And sorry I offer no... Well, I am going to offer a solution. This is the POTA website where people get to post activations, and if you're going to activate, you can self-spot. And you know what, man? Look at this. Why does this man or woman feel the need to post a spot quoting an Rbn report? Now, why do computers have to poison every single facet of ham radio? Is there not a single bastion of computerless radio? Can we even call it ham radio anymore? Come on, man, stop poisoning it with your love of garbage. Let people be, man. Now, if that's you, here comes the solution part. I've been criticized in the past. Well, he's gone. He's over here. I've been criticized, fairly and rightfully so, for not offering solutions too often. Here's a solution. Stop posting Rbn reports to the POTA site. Was that clear enough for you? I won't repeat it. Is there not a single small nook or cranny of ham radio left that's not poisoned by a computer? Hell, I've been criticized many times in the past for wanting to use my homebrew analog QRP radio on 7.060 and be left the hell alone by computing robots running digital modes. You know? And yes, it was a fluke occurrence. There's not very many digital ops that go down where they're not really supposed to be operating. And for the most part, they're a damn fine, good group of people, you know? So anyway, please, just let me sit at my desk for just a moment more and lose myself in time and pretend that it's not the technological world it is. Could we? Please? Just let me enjoy a little bit of old man ham radio before I get a little bit older and die off like my kind. That's all I'm asking. I don't think that's unreasonable. And stop posting Rbn reports to POTA.us. Jesus. I mean what I say, and I say what I mean. And if you don't like it, just give it a dislike. Vote your heart. Life's too short not to. 73.